Pedal assembly. Our model picture shows a left side installation of the pedal. We will show you a right side installation as most home users are comfortable using the right foot. This is a mechanical pedal which activates 3 functions: run, lift presser foot, and cut depending on its position. Begin by installing the L brackets which hold the pedal. From the left side, measure approximately 8 inches and secure this bracket in place. Install the pedal bracket interface. This is an L-shaped metal plate with several slots to allow for position adjustments when attaching to the pedal. Do not tighten these bolts. Now set the other bracket in place, but do not tighten. Raise the pedal and place the one rod end into the left fixed bracket. While steadying the pedal, adjust the right bracket into position and then tighten the bolt. Attach the driver rod to the pedal and tighten. This is a 2-part assembly with 2 adjustment screws and swivel heads at either end. The pedal should be able to move the drive rod up and down. In the up heel down position, it should be able to contact 2 switches as shown here. Now set the L-shaped metal plate so the drive rod is straight up and down and tighten the screws. Check for proper operation again. Now set the power switch. You will want to set it back from the front edge about 3/4 and from the side about 1 inch. There are no pre-drilled holes, so you may adjust the location as needed. Congratulations! You have now finished the assembly of the table, control module, and machine setting portion of this installation process.